Chemistry has started the foundation of the car wash. In the chemistry world, you get to help those customers with all aspects of their business. So it's not only just producing a clean, dry, and shiny car, it's also helping them build their revenue and helping them create more volume in their car wash. I came in from outside of the industry. I came in as a chemical rep. My job was to ride around car washes and service them chemically and sell them. So the chemistry side of the business touches all different aspects of a car wash, from the equipment side to application side to marketing, those kinds of things. In the car wash itself, you get to produce what customers are looking for. So I did that for a couple of years. I was actually promoted from that particular role, and I started managing larger accounts throughout the southeastern U.S. Sonny's has always been one of the companies that was on the top of my list because it's got the best of the best. So it was always one that I strived to go work for, and at the same time, there's a lot of people there that I knew, that I enjoyed working with in my previous part of my career, and I could see that it was just a great place to be. My job's fun because I get to do, it's very fast paced. I get to do a different thing every day. I get to be out in the field and I get to play with what we actually make, right? We get to create all the time. To take chemistry from a container and be able to make it perform in a car wash and see the results that we're actually putting out on the vehicle is pretty awesome. So for me professionally, it's been fantastic, right? The opportunity to continue to move up and provide opportunities for other people has been amazing. For others in the industry, those same opportunities still exist if you want to come into the industry and learn it and grasp a hold of what we're trying to do and take care of our customers.